Hello guys, let's unbox my camera from Kimstore. So I ordered this from Shopee and actually po replacement item na to siya because the first one na in-order ko may defect siya and Kimstore was quick to respond sa replacement ko. The replacement process was so quick and nag-update talaga sila sa email. So, no need to worry. So, ayan po, as you can see, may technical report yung box because this is a replacement item. So, let's open the box. So, ito po yung mga included sa box. So, mm, we have the clip, mm, the charging port, microphone, mount, Velcro strap, the remote, and wrist lanyard. Tapos, manual of course, and some stickers. They're so nice. So, the user manual is this. So, please read the manual first before using it para may idea po kayo how to use the camera. So, first things first is to not drop it kasi sensitive po yung camera. Yan. But, yeah, it includes the waterproof case. Yan, very secure. So, before natin siya ilaglag sa tubig, dapat test mo na siya without the camera inside para sure. So, let's open it. Yan. So, it's so cute. Handy. Super handy. Let's open it. Yan. Malinaw na siya for its price. It's very sweet. This is my first action camera and I can say na okay talaga ang performance niya. So, yung head, pwede po siyang i-rotate to 70 degrees. Yan. For front and back. Tapos, the other side naman, isa pa. One more. Yan. Hanggang dyan po. Yung end. That's it. So, when we click the lower right button, mapupunta po tayo sa different settings. So, subukan natin i-adjust yung date and time. Yan. Click lang po yung date, format, and yan. So, up and down. So, yan. Siguro, next time I'll show you paano po natin set up more detailed, including the video resolutions and the photo. So, subukan natin yan gawin on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!